Hey there, it's me again, Airwave. Welcome back to my channels. This one is a bit special because, yeah, it's a quick tip for you guys composers looking for something that will basically transform your music and bring it into another dimension. I'm just using Phonic CM. It's a fantastic instrument on its own, but very simple, and I chose this one on purpose because it's really simple and easy to use as well. So it's a bit like the Juno 60, of course, for example, a bit more evolved and with a lot more options, of course, but you see what I mean. And I want something on there that's completely, well, that brings it into another planet. That's what I'm looking for. Well, Mikron Cascade from 112 dB is what you need. Actually, let's do this. Let's play. And just before that stage, I'm gonna put an overdrive, if you don't mind, because it does something and I like a lot. The sound a little bit. Now, listen to this. I'm gonna put the mix. Okay, I have to stop here because I can keep going for hours here with this plugin. And just you can take, for example, let's take the dumbest thing ever, like this. Let's remove the overdrive. See what I mean? It's just very, very, very simple. Okay, and now we put Mikron Cascade on there. Magical, isn't it? So, Mikron Cascade by 112 dB. I love this plugin. I've been using it all the time the last few months, and highly recommend it. It's not expensive at all. It's really, really damn cheap. You can use it for recycling your vocal phrases or the phrases into atmosphere that I was talking about in an older video of mine from 3 years ago. Just go have a check because it's really, really cool. Thanks a lot for your attention. Like, comment, share, subscribe eventually. Thanks a lot. Bye.